Hi everyone, my name is Mohan Arumugam from Malaysia. In this National Geographic Educator Certification lesson, I wish to teach about BioBlitzes. I got this idea from a National Geographic Explorer magazine where I read some of articles and I wish to teach about BioBlitzes to my students. Okay, I chose 4 students. Their age category is between 11 and 13 years old. What is a BioBlitz? According to the National Geographic Resource Library, BioBlitz is an event that focuses on finding and identifying as many species as possible in specific areas. It also can be called as a biological survey. This is a part where we can get many scientists, researchers and volunteers, also students, to be a part of this project. I wish to see my students understand the whole concept of BioBlitzes at the end of the lessons, and they can learn about the biological diversity of a local natural spaces, and they can also get familiar with the diversity. My students can gain more skills and knowledge. In addition, they can build a stronger connection with themselves and their home environment. And I also love to see my students get empowerment, okay, to better understand and protect the biodiversity. In this video, you can see how my students have the curiosity attitude and the skills such as observation. Observation is a very important skill for every researcher and scientist. So I plan to give them the spaces that they needed to improve their observation skills. And the last one, about the knowledge. I want them to care about the planets they are living on. They must know what is the responsibility and how can they protect the natural world. The theme that I really focus on is get outside, okay, because they need to have the explorer mindset. In case to do so, they must step outside. This video, we are doing this BioBlitz project in Port Dickson. Okay, all of you know what is a BioBlitz. So what you have to do now, each one of you have to choose one single living things. Example, any trees, any animals, okay, that are living in this area. Okay, so you choose one, then you have to explain to me what are their benefits, okay, and what are their contribution to our natural world. Okay, understand? Are you sure? Okay. Sure. I give the briefing and I really assist them to do observation. So in this video you will see my students how they observe, how they answer their own curiosity, and they come out with a valid point. What are the benefits of the organisms or living things in the designated place?
Now let's see chicken, very important livestock. Example, meat and egg. Chicken is country chicken is very healthy our body.
Banana. Each part of banana tree is very important. Banana fruit itself leaves. We can make many types of food, juice and body nutrition, rich of vitamins.
Cow. We can get many benefits from cows. We get milk, meat, cheese, oil and yogurt. We get many nutrients and vitamins from cows. So, cow is very important for our human life.
Coconut. Wow, very tall. So many benefits. Coconut, leaf, juice, tree and other. See how coconut useful for human life.
Student can see direct correlation between the human world and natural world, and how is it different in terms of geological and ecological, also economic perspectives. Truly speaking, I have some limitations when I'm conducting this BioBlitz. I wish I could use more technologies and tools, but since of the disease disaster. So what my students get the benefits, they get skills, knowledge, and they also increase the awareness of biodiversity in their own ecosystem. I mean in their own backyard of their home in our local neighborhood. Okay, you also can do this biodiversity program, this event in your own home environment. Thank you to all the educators, the mentors, leaders, and the National Geography teaching team for this great opportunity